Hello, everyone. My name is Rodrigo, and we are here, IIASVERSE XR Extended Reality, to bring to you a totally immersive experience. So we are focused on Web 3.0 and Industry 4.0 integration and applications. So everything happens here, happens in real time and in reality.
Hi everyone, my name is Alita Reggie. This program is developed to train all future astronauts on Moon and Mars while saving time, costs, and improving performance efficiency so that we can make our dream of space for all a reality.
Hi everyone, my name is Andrew Buffington, and I am here in the metaverse experiencing the Martian surface. I have never before seen such a realistic simulation of Mars, and I am so excited for the future of this software and the opportunities it will bring to students.
And we hope to see you all in the Analog Astronaut Conference in 2023. See you soon, guys.
Goodbye, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.